1.
Hey guys, it's Mimi, and welcome back to my channel. So, I'm alone today. Britt's not with me because she is somewhere. She's at her own house spending her 4th of July because it's the 3rd of July with her family. But I will be doing a 4th of July themed slime. So all you'll need is white slime for this. So you're going to need blue acrylic paint and red acrylic paint and white slime. So you're going to just spread it into 3 parts. You want to make them as even as possible. Mine don't look that even, but we'll go with it. Okay, guys? So, trying to keep them in their groups. Okay, so for one of them, you're just going to leave blank, plain white. So I'll leave this one over here, plain white. It's a really jiggly, extra fluffy slime. So yeah. So I'm going to take the blue paint and I'm going to start with this one. So I'm going to put some paint on it. That's a lot of paint. So I'm just going to start folding it in. Ooh, look at that color. Getting kind of on the table and on my fingers, definitely. Okay, so once you have it mixed in, I have mine sort of mixed in, not all the way yet, but I will work on those later. So you're gonna take your red paint. This is Barn Red paint. It's a really nice color. So, let's see. I'm gonna give more to this group because this is a smaller group of, yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the red in it. It's a pretty red too, wow. We picked the right colors. And if it turns out pink, you need to put more red in it because it cannot be pink. Let me just say that. Making sure one of them don't fall off the table. That would be bad. Yeah. So it's a really nice slime. So I'm gonna add a tiny bit of more red paint. Ooh, you can hear the fireworks in the bathroom. Outside. So yeah, I will be mixing in this paint. And if they do accidentally mix, it's fine. You're gonna mix them in the end, probably, if you want to. So yeah. Okay, so once you have all your colors, you're gonna just put them in order. So red, white, and blue. So you're gonna put the red on the first end. Then you're gonna do the white. That's why I said plain white slime. So you can make it as festive looking as you want. This looks like the French flag. Not American anymore, we're in France. But yeah, so you can make it as festive or as cool looking as you want. But, so today is red, white, and blue day. So, I just decided to make a red, white, and blue slime. So, like, you could do magic tricks with this too. Like, it's red, but now it's blue. And now it's, like, turning purple. Yeah, but this is a really pretty slime. Honestly, you could do, like, Superman too. make a Superman thing with it, but oh, there's some of the white. So we're gonna mix all of this together. So after a while of mixing, it will start turning purple. Which, if you do mix it, it should turn that color. Don't think it's unnatural, because it is, because you're mixing it. So then you get this pretty purple. But you can still see hints of the red and blue, which is really pretty. But you can't see any of the white right now, because it's all absorbed by purple. And that added on to that. So guys, if you want to see how I made the base for the slime, comment down below and say, I want to see how you made it. Because it's extra fluffy, jiggly slime. And it's also glossy, which is really pretty. So, that was my tutorial for 4th of July slime. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe. And push that notification bell. And make sure to comment, #SpikeSistersSquad. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye!